Today, we'll be taking a look at diagnostic mode on this Whirlpool top-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. To enter diagnostics, we have to press a sequence of keys. You will pick any 3 buttons on the bottom and do 1, 2, 3, 3 times in a row. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then it's going to come up with the indicator showing this is for technician use only. Make sure you enter by pressing normal. And again, it will show you what buttons navigate. Go ahead and press enter again. Now, the 4 buttons that we want to know are bulky items. This will be exit, normal will be enter, left will be towels, right will be sanitize. That's how we're going to go through the system. So the first thing that's going to pop up, you'll see it shows 1 of 6 and it shows factory diagnostics. If we press enter to enter factory diagnostics, there's going to be a couple of options in here, such as a factory cycle. This is going to be an automatic test cycle with the unit. Now, before you run an automatic test cycle, you'll always want to go in and clear your error codes prior to doing that, which we will get to in just a moment. Now, the next thing you can do is go over to the right, and it'll show you a couple of different calibration cycles, which if you replace parts in it, calibration is necessary. And of course, you got the factory reset. Now let's exit out of here, and let's see what else we have. Let's go to the right. We have system information. Go to the right again. This is fault history. So let's go ahead and enter into the fault history. Now, this one right here has no faults in the system. If it had a fault code, right here is where it would show it. The more common codes you might find are an FO-E2 for an oversuds. You may find an F1-E1 for a main control, a F2-E1 for a stuck UI button, or an F3-E2 for a pressure system fault. Now, the fault codes will pop up in the order in which they last showed up. So, if you do show a fault code, that's going to be the most recent error code. Of course, you can toggle through them with the right key, and when you get to the end, it's going to show clear fault history. Press execute. You'll want to clear the faults before you go into any type of test mode. And of course, we can exit it here. Now, past the fault history, we have service diagnostics, demo mode, and of course, exit service mode. When you are done with your service technician mode, you'll definitely want to exit it. And of course, to exit it, we'll go ahead and get to this toggle switch, press the normal key, it will exit it, and this will complete diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.